Hi there. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to upload your site files to your 000 web host. So I've just created an account with 000 web host. This is the very first step that I see once I've logged in. So I'm going to choose Get Started. I've also gone to my email and verified my email address as well. So I'm going to click on Get Started here. And then it asks us what we'd like to do. So I'm going to choose Create Web Design. And I'll just sell other. And I'll choose Skip. I already have Chrome. And I'll say Marcus Lander for my website name. And I'll quickly enter a password. I'll just pause this while I do. So I've created my project, added a password, and I'm just going to choose Select to upload my site. And that brings me into the file manager. So you need to put everything into public_HTML that you want to be available to the World Wide Web. So I'll click on that. So what I'm going to do is create the directory structure that I require on 000 web host. And then upload the files using this little button here. So here's what I'm adding to my website, those files there. So first of all, I need a new folder called CSS. So I'll choose create a new folder, call it CSS, and create. And I'll create a new folder called images. Create. And I'll upload my HTML documents. So there they all are. Let's see if I can select multiple files at once. Yeah. Index, portfolio, about me. Open. And upload. And I'll go to my CSS folder. So I'm inside CSS. I'll choose upload files, select files, CSS. We've only got one. Upload. And I'll do the same thing in my images. So I need to just go up a level. So I can click back on public HTML. Make that bigger. Go into images. Choose upload. Select files. Images. And I'll grab all of those. I don't need that background. We're not using it for anything. And open. And upload. And now I have all the files that are required. So if I go back to public HTML, I see I have index, portfolio, about me, images, and CSS. Depending on your host, this might be a little bit leaner. For example, on a host that I commonly use, I'll just zip everything up and then unpack it here, but it seems like it's a little bit more difficult with 000 web host. Also, I haven't been able to connect with this via FileZilla. So now let's take a look at what this looks like on the web. So if I click on Marcus Lander here, and there's my website list back here. And there's my URL. So I'll click on that. And there's my website. So that's basically setting up a new project on 000 web host, which is in effect let me just close this, a website. So that's the name I gave to it. There's the URL, and if you click on Manage Website, you get to your file manager, as well as, if I just go back here, as well as your tools, so you can create a database. As well as website settings. Oh, there's the actual host. I'm going to try this for my FileZilla settings. I was unable to connect using my URL. So you have to use your project name and then your password. So for those of you who are having troubles with that FileZilla, I'm going to give it a shot and try it out myself. So that's basically using the file manager at 000 web host to create your folders and then upload your files into them. If you're using FileZilla to connect, you should be able to do that a little bit more quickly. You can actually upload a directory, and the directory structure with all of the folders will be maintained. Thanks so much for watching.